ड्रग्स व्यवहाराआड पोलीस आणि अंमली पदार्थ विरोधी पंगड निर्णायक कारवाई करतात. या संदर्भात अटक सत्र चालू असा. हे जाळे पुराय नष्ट करप चालू असा म्हण मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर सावंत उलयला. गुवळी वखदांच्या विक्रीत घुसपल्ल्यांचेर कसलीच तडजोड करिनासतना कडक कारवाई जातली म्हण मुखेलमंत्री सावंत उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The protecting our youth from the drugs will never be the optional, it is our moral duty. Let me say this clear and firmly, the government of Goa has zero tolerance towards the drugs. Our police force and anti-narcotics cell act decisively. Drug traffickings are arrested, networks are being broken, and our state is under strict surveillance supported by the central agencies and modern technology. Anyone involved in the drug peddling will be faced the strict actions. There will be the no compromise. While enforcement is essential, the awareness is equally powerful. This campaign has helped the people to understand the danger of a drug abuse and encouraging the youth mind to say no to drugs. School, colleges, the parents and community play a vital role. The prevention being at home and in a classroom, open conversations can save the lives. The government of Goa is actively promotes the sports, culture, education and skill development. When youth are engaging positively, they stay away from the harmful habits. We believe in giving our young people the opportunities, confidence and directions, not fear.